What's going on YouTube? Welcome back for another video. So we have a 304 stainless sink, as you guys can see on the social media, like everywhere right now people showing that sink, and I'm gonna show you how to install that sink easily. So stay tuned, we're gonna go on the details step by step. And if you're new on this channel, guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, and then most importantly to comment, because when you comment I'll learn something, or I can explain something better from you. So we all can learn from each other. You know, if you see a mistake on this video, don't forget to shoot me a message, and I'm glad to learn from you and also correct what I make as a mistake, you know? So let's do it. It's a family, and welcome to this family. Alright, first thing to do when you get into the house is to check your plumbing system. So actually this sink here, it was a double sink, so we have to turn off, you know, the hot and cold water, and then disconnect the sink plumbing system, and then a little bit of cleaning is important, just to remove the extra glue or the silicone they put, you know, for years. And it's visible, it was dirty, so it's important to just clean that up and give it a good wipe before you install your new sink. Basically what you need right now is to, you know, check out your new sink measurement, and then you see put your mark, and then if it's bigger, you just try to cut your corner in the right size. So that's basically what you're gonna do. You can cut it with like a circular saw or a jigsaw. So I'm gonna use both because of the corner. Some corner need, you know, a jigsaw. You know, the jigsaw more easy. The one mistake I make, guys, I start cutting the content without secure the material of the customer. This is a big mistake, and I was so glad when I did that mistake. So I learned from it. Lucky the customer was very easy. So you basically need to clean up, you know, the countertop. You should have nothing on the content, and you're good to work out, you know. But I left all those here. Well, actually, it was the customer idea, so I left them here, but I was supposed to move them. Anyway, so yeah, so basically you guys need to take the measurement, and then it's good to measure twice. So you cut it. So the easy way for me to do it is just reverse this sink upside down, check the corners, check the measurement, and make the mark from there. That's it. So when you do that, you make sure you don't cut it exactly at that field, because you need to leave maybe half an inch just for the edges to sit on, you know. So what I'm gonna do, I put the mark, I'm gonna cut it, leave half an inch like that. When I put my sink, it's gonna just sit on top. I find the jigsaw did the job really good at the corner, so I prefer to go with the jigsaw. So after the cutting, quick wipe, make it clean, and then try the new sink. It's fit perfect. You know, I like cleaning and working on installing a new sink. So check the bottom, check if the dust close properly. Sorry about the camera angle, so it's really in a bad position. So here it is. So we have the hardware for the sink. Basically it's really straightforward. You don't even need to check the book to see how it's installed, guys. It's important to check, yeah, but you don't need to if you use to install sink. It's really easy. It's a one piece, the water connector and all that, they just come in with one kit. You just slide it in and you're good to go, you know? Like I said, guys, it's pretty straightforward. You don't need much to do. It's just connect and disconnect. That's it. So all you need to do is insert the tap into the sink opening and adjust it. That's it. You just adjust the inlet pipe into the tap, so hot and cold, and you're good to go. So one thing I realized, guys, is to install all those holes or all those connectors. It's better if you remove the sink, position the sink over the counter or on the floor somewhere. It's gonna be easy to install all those connectors, because if you stay under the sink, I'm telling you, like, the position to connect all those cables, it's really hard, and it's gonna be really hard on your back or your neck, even your eyes, to gonna squeeze your head down there. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take the sink out and then position it over the counter and then get all my connection quick. Like that, it's easy to maneuver. Let's see that. If you have all your material or equipment in place. It could take maybe an hour and a half to kind of install that. So for me, I had to come back the next day because I did miss a lot of equipment. I didn't bring all my hose, all my connector I need, and the pipe. I have to redo the plumbing, so take me a little bit of that. But normally, if everything is okay, it should be like less than 2 hours to install a sink like this. And then basically all we're gonna do right now is just connect your holes, and then it's good to go. Now we're installing the water flush. So that button we just put there was the one you just, keep the water in the sink or let it go, release the water. So I'm gonna give you a demonstration. You're gonna see that soon, guys. So not complicated at all. Basically like simple to install, and everything is marked. Everything is right down. So you just screw them in and that's it. Now I'm installing my cold and hot water. So nothing complicated, really easy, straightforward. Like I said before, if you're familiar with installing sink, that would be the best and easy thing to install. So, and then when you finish, you just place it over and look at it now. Beautiful. Now let's talk about the plumbing system. This is the most simple plumbing system ever, but it could be complicated if you, again, doesn't know what you're doing. So you basically, your existing plumbing is out. You just cut it shortest possible you can. I mean, you still need to leave maybe 2 inch or 2.5 inch out from your wall, just in case in the future if you wanna change sink for something more complicated than yours. So, and then you basically follow the manual for the plumbing because it can be different for any sink. So for this one I had to follow the manual, but it's really simple when I realized it, so I'm like, okay, that's good. So I'm basically adding a strap of rubber tape on, just because it's like I have a little gap when I push it into my pipe. So because I have a 2-inch pipe, but for you, if you have like 1.5, should be okay to stick in easily. So you also remember to connect your dishwasher if you have a dishwasher. So for me, I have to make a separate connection for my dishwasher, and then push my pipe in, and you're very good to stay. So that's basically it, guys. Nothing complicated. Look really nice, look really modern. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will catch you guys on the next one. See you.